Hi, I am Girish Kishnani and you are watching 5-Minute Learnings. Welcome to the 6th video in the series on personality. Have you ever wondered why your personality is the way it is? Biological psychologists suggest that much of it comes down to your genes, which play a significant role in shaping who you are. Biological theories of personality focus on nature, genetics and biological factors, over nurture, which involves environmental and social influences. These theories examine how internal factors contribute to the development of personality traits. Genetics and DNA play a crucial role in personality. For instance, tendencies toward anxiety can run in families, though there isn't a single anxiety gene. Instead, multiple genes work together to influence anxious dispositions. Brain structures are directly linked to personality traits. Individuals with high levels of conscientiousness often have a larger lateral prefrontal cortex, a region associated with planning and behavior regulation. Hormones, like testosterone, present in both males and females, affect sociability, aggression, and sexuality, further influencing personality development. Jeffrey Gray's reinforcement sensitivity theory explains how individuals biologically respond to stress or fear through three main mechanisms: fight, facing challenges or threats head-on; flight, escaping from stressful situations; freeze, becoming immobilized when confronted with danger. These responses are linked to personality traits such as anxiety, impulsivity, and overthinking. Gray also introduced two neurobiological systems tied to personality. Behavioral inhibition system. The BIS predicts negative reactions to situations based on past experiences. For example, if someone had a bad reaction to shellfish, they might avoid it in the future due to anxiety triggered by the memory. Traits associated with BIS include cautiousness, anxiety, and emotionality. Behavioral activation system. The BAS is tied to motivation and goal-seeking behavior, driven by positive reinforcement. For instance, completing goals consistently might make someone more motivated to set and achieve new ones. Traits linked to BAS include self-discipline, ambition, and enthusiasm. Hans Eysenk's PEN model. Hans Eysenk's model connects personality traits to brain structures such as the limbic system, governs emotions and survival-related behaviors. The reticular formation regulates arousal and consciousness. Eysenck proposed three super traits in his PEN model: psychoticism, on higher side; creative, nonconformist, and less concerned with social norms; and on lower side, empathetic, rule-abiding, and conflict-averse; extroversion, on higher side, sociable, lively, and attention-seeking; and on lower side, reserved, quiet, and introspective, preferring smaller groups or solitude. Neuroticism, on higher side, anxious, emotional, and prone to stress; and on lower side, calm, stable, and resilient under pressure. Charles Darwin's theories on evolution and natural selection have profoundly impacted evolutionary psychology. It applies Darwin's principles to explain that personality is adaptive, suggesting certain behaviors and traits developed over time because they improved our ancestors' chances of survival and reproduction. Natural selection proposes that organisms with traits better suited for survival are more likely to reproduce and pass those advantageous traits to future generations. Sexual selection focuses on traits that enhance the ability to attract mates. Characteristics like confidence or creativity might be preferred by potential partners, thus increasing the likelihood of reproduction and passing on their genes. Comparative psychology involves studying animals to draw parallels and conclusions about human behavior, including aspects of memory, intelligence, and social interaction. Darwin's work extended beyond evolutionary psychology, influencing other fields including psychoanalysis. Sigmund Freud credited Darwin's research, particularly his work on emotional expression, for shaping aspects of psychoanalytic theory. Child development. Darwin conducted one of the earliest studies on childhood development. This observational study documented his own son's growth over several years, laying groundwork for developmental psychology. Key takeaways: nature over nurture. Biological theories emphasize the influence of genetics, brain functions, and hormones on personality. Consistency and change. These theories explore how traits evolve or remain stable over time. Penn model supertraits, psychoticism, extroversion, and neuroticism are linked to brain systems and biological functions. By understanding the biological underpinnings of personality, we can gain deeper insights into why we and others behave the way we do. That's all for today, on Biological Approach on Theories of Personality. In the next video, we'll explore the humanistic approach. Hope you found this video helpful. If you liked it, please give me a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel 5-Minute Learnings, and do remember to hit the bell icon to get notified on new content. Thanks for watching.